Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create simple animations in Canva. Stick around to the end, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's dive in. First of all, open your Canva and go over to the video. Click on the video. I'm going to be selecting the 1080p for full HD quality. By default, Canva sets each frame to 5 seconds. Leave it like that. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add a background to my video. And to do that, I'll go over to Element and I'm going to type in garden. So since we are making animation, I'm going to switch it from photo to graphics. Most of the really good background graphics are Canva Pro. For those that don't have a Canva Pro, I'm going to show you a trick. Just go over to this, our editor panel. You will see magic media. Click on the magic media and type in your keyword. I'm going to type in garden landscape. And over to style, I'm going to change the style to anime. And I'm going to change the layout to what? YouTube layer, which is 16:9. Then I'm going to click on generate image. If you don't like the first result, click generate again until you get the one you like. Next thing we are going to do is to add a working character. So to add a working character, I will go over to element and search for working boy, and make sure that you choose the one that is animated. And to do that, go over to this filter button. Over to the animation, you will see static and animated. Click on the animated box. So I'm going to choose this boy that is riding a bicycle. I'll resize it and position my character where I want my character to start. The fun part is to animate it. To animate it, I'll click on animate, then click on custom. Then click on custom. The next thing to do is to click on your character. Drag your character across the screen to draw the path you want them to follow. Once you are done, go back to animation panel and select steady to keep the movement smooth. Now let's try another one to understand this very well. So the next thing I'm going to do is to choose my background. I'll go over to element again. I'm going to follow the same pattern. I'll search on city. I want a city background. I'm going to select this background here. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be adding my characters. So I'll just search working boy. Then I will filter it from static to animated. I want animated characters. So I'll go ahead and select my animated characters, resize and position them. Okay, I'm done resizing and selecting my characters. The next step is to animate them. I'll go over to animate, click on animate, and to custom, I'll click on custom. I'll drag my characters across the path I want them to follow. And after that, I'll go back to the animation panel. I will choose my movement style, which is steady, for smooth movement. So I am done animating my video. So you can see, and the next thing is that if you want to add a music, just go over to audio and search for a track. I'll be searching for upbeat. So once you find the one you like, just click on it and add it to your video. Now let's play them together. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more useful videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.